Sara Labati at Richard Gutierrez ipinaghanda ang kanilang anak na si Zion ngayong 11th birthday nito. Happy family at hindi pinalalagpas ang mga special occasion ng kanilang mga anak, especially ang kanilang panganay na si Zion Gutierrez. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Sa magkaibang araw ginanap ang birthday ni Zion dahil hindi na magkasama ang kanyang mga magulang na si Sarah at Richard. Nag-decide sila na pagdalawahin ang celebration para kay Zion na may magkaibang birthday theme. Ang birthday theme na iginayak ni Sara Labati para kay Zion ay isang Pirates. Ang kay Richard Gutierrez naman ay Lakers or basketball theme na kung saan ay nakakahiligan naman ni Zion na sports ngayon. Pareho namang nagustuhan ni Zion Gutierrez ang kanyang birthday theme dahil siya na mismo ang namili nito at sinabi na lang niya sa kanyang parents na si Sara Labati at sa kanyang daddy na si Richard Gutierrez. May madamdaming mensahe pa nga itong si Sara Labati para sa kanyang panganay na anak na si Zion at ito ay part 1 pa lamang ng kanyang birthday greetings. Happy 11th birthday to my angel Zion. From the moment you were in mom's tummy, you changed my life for the better. I adore you more than words can express, and I pray that God continues to bless and guide you as you blossom into the remarkable young man you are becoming. I promise to always be by your side, supporting you every step of the way. Love you to the moon and back. Your One Piece theme birthday celebration was truly magical, and I couldn't have done it without the amazing support of our family and friends. Nagpasalamat naman si Sara Labati sa lahat ng tumulong sa kanya, lalo-lalo na sa pagpe-prepare ng birthday theme ni Zion Gutierrez. A heartfelt thank you to everyone who helped me to make this so special, from the amazing setup by my dear Teddy Manuel to the talented caterers Carlitos, who prepared delicious food, to our forever photographers, Nice Print, who captured freshest moments, the creative food artists for our yummy food carts, sushi, pasta, froze, donut wall, and the generous individuals who provided giveaways for the kids. Thank you also for the beautiful and amazing one-piece tower cake, honey glaze. At kung may pagbati nga itong si Sara Labati para sa kanyang panganay na anak na si Zion, syempre hindi rin mawawala ang pagbati ng kanyang daddy Richard Gutierrez. Sabi niya dito, Happy 11th birthday Zion. Dada is here for you no matter what. I love you always, my young lion. At nagpasalamat nga din si Richard Gutierrez sa mga handang tumulong sa kanya at tumulong para ma-achieve ang birthday theme nitong si Zion na Lakers. Thank you to Nice Print Photo and Honey Glaze Cakes for supporting our intimate celebration with family and Zion's classmates, just the way Zion wanted it. At hindi rin mawawala ang pagbati ni Lola Annabel Rama para sa apong Zion. Sabi niya dito, Today is the birthday, one of my favorite apo. My cute Zion, Lola loves you very, very, very much. Alam mo yan, Zion, every time you and Kai are in White Plains, nakikita kong happy-happy kayong dalawa ni Kai. Lahat ng gusto nyo binibigay ni Lola. I love you, Zion. Mwah.
Kai! Kai! Kai!
Ipinararamdam lagi ni Lola Annabel Rama ang pagmamahal niya sa kanyang apong si Zion Gutierrez. Dahil nga kulang na rin ito sa magulang at hiwalay nga ay si Lola Annabel ang nagpupuno nito. Hindi rin mawawala sa celebration ng kanyang mahal na tita Rufa Gutierrez na ate naman nitong si Richard Gutierrez. Talagang laging nakasuporta dito kay Zion tuwing may handaan, laging kasama ang kanyang tita Rufa. Happy 11th birthday, Zion! Your presence fills our lives with such immense love and happiness. Continue to spread kindness, study hard, and always be a good boy. May your future be filled with endless possibilities. We love you so much. Zion Gutierrez turns 11.